Hi there. If you often send documents to the same people or companies, the Contacts feature in Signify will make your work much easier. Contacts are simply a list of people or organizations you regularly send documents to. They save you time. You won't need to type in the same details over and over again. Let's see how it works. I'll start by creating a new document. Here, I can quickly add my colleague's information. As you can see, Signify automatically suggests the contact, so I don't have to type their details manually. Of course, if I've never sent a document to this person before and they're not in my contacts, I'll need to enter their information once manually. But after that, Signify will remember it. It'll save the contact for future use, so next time it's just one click away. Now let's open the Contacts section. Contacts are divided into two parts: Contacts and Companies. In the Companies tab, you can create a list of organizations you usually work with. Later, you can link those companies to specific contacts. Creating a new company is very simple. Just enter the company name and its identification code. When adding a contact, you can then select which company they belong to. Let's add a new contact together. Here I'll fill in their first and last name, email address, phone number, personal ID, and company. Not all fields are mandatory. For example, if you don't know the person's ID number, you can simply leave that field blank and fill in only the details you have. If the company already exists, Signify will suggest it from the list. If not, I can create a new one right here on the spot. This helps you easily see which contact belongs to which company, or no need to memorize it all manually. Just use the company filter to quickly see who you're working with within a specific organization. It shows all contacts linked to that company, making it easier to manage and access them. You can also see who you're working with within a specific company, making it easier to manage relationships and track your communication history. If you already have a contact list stored elsewhere, you can also upload it directly to Signify. To do that, click Upload Contacts and Signify will offer you an Excel template to download. Let's download and open that file. As you can see, the Excel sheet includes the same fields we just saw on the platform: name, email, phone number, personal ID, company name, and company identification code. Once you fill in your data, save the file and upload it back into Signify. This way, you can import hundreds of contacts at once, quickly and easily. Editing contacts is just as simple. Click Edit, make your changes, and save. You can also delete any contact whenever you need to. And if you want a backup, you can export your full contact list too. Contacts and companies also make it easier to find your documents. By assigning parties to documents, you can quickly filter and locate all files sent to a specific person or company. For example, in this case, my document was sent to 2 people. From the document attributes, I can assign them as parties, using the contacts I already have saved. Signify automatically suggests their related companies. And I can link them directly. These details can later be used for document filtering and quick search. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.